In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to archive, restore archived projects, and delete projects in Jira. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can keep your Jira workspace organized and clutter-free. First, make sure you're logged into your Jira instance with an account that has the right permissions to manage projects. Project archiving, restoring, and deleting are usually restricted to administrators. So if you don't see some of the options I mentioned, you might need to ask your Jira admin for additional access. Let's start by navigating to the main settings area. Look toward the top right corner of your Jira interface and click on the gear icon, sometimes labeled as settings. This is where Jira groups all of your global configuration options, including project management. Give the page a second to load if your instance is a bit slow. Once the settings menu is open, look for an option called Spaces or Projects, depending on your Jira setup. In this guide, we'll be using Spaces. Go ahead and click on Spaces. This will bring you to a view where you can see and manage the various work areas and projects that live inside your Jira environment. Inside the Spaces section, you should see different tabs or filters for viewing your active and archived projects. To work with archived projects specifically, find and click on the Archive option. This will display a list of projects that have been archived. Archiving is useful when you're done actively working on a project, but still want to keep its issues and history intact for future reference. Now that you're in the archive view, locate the project you want to manage. On the right side of that project's row, you'll see an icon with 3 dots, often called the More or Actions menu. Click on those 3 dots to open the project actions. This is where you'll find options related to that specific project, including restoring it. From the menu that appears, click on Restore. Jira will then begin the process of returning that project from the archived list back into your active projects. Once restored, the project will reappear in your standard project list, and your team will be able to interact with it again as